I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the joystick mount on the Jazzy Carbon HD. So a lot of times with this chair, when people are exiting the chair, instead of pushing off the arms, they'll accidentally push off of right here and they'll bend or break this bracket right here. So a lot of times this needs to be replaced when people do that. For future reference, make sure you push off the arms. These are reinforced with carbon fiber right here. Right here is a very strong bending point, so we don't want to push off from there. If you do need that part for your chair, go ahead and check the link in the description below. I will have it linked as well as any other parts for this chair. The first thing we do before we remove the bracket is we're going to flip the arm up because I find it a lot easier to work this way, and we're going to remove the joystick. So I'm going to turn the power off on the joystick. We're going to disconnect it by unscrewing these right here. Then you will pull the cable apart. Then we're going to remove the joystick from under here. So you have two Phillips head screws. You're just going to take both of those out. Both of those screws have a lock washer and a washer, so just don't lose those. I got the screws taken out. Make sure you hold on to your joystick so it doesn't fall. And then we're going to take it out and slide the cable out and just get it out of our way. Now we can remove our mounting bracket. So you'll just loosen this knob underneath and it slides right out. So this is a pretty easy part to replace. Once you get a new one, we're going to slide the new one back in. Go ahead and tighten it wherever you want it. Then we are going to get our joystick and we're going to reapply the joystick. You're going to take this cable and feed it through right here. We're going to take our screws and I'm going to hand thread them first, just so it's holding it up for me. And then we'll go ahead and tighten both of these screws. Make sure your joystick's good and tight. And then we're going to reconnect our joystick. There is a little arrow on here. I don't think you can see it on the camera very well, but there's a little arrow on the plastic on both sides. We're going to line those up because it only goes one way. We'll push it in, and then we'll go ahead and re-tighten these. But now our joystick mounting bracket has been reinstalled. Once again, this has been how to replace the joystick mounting bracket on the Jazzy Carbon HD. If you need that part, I will have that linked in the description below. Go ahead and click on that if that's something you need. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We'd love to help you out and speak with you. And please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.